Hey guys, today we're going to test 3 different alarms today. Simplex 49 horn stroke, the kiddie smoke detector, and the firex smoke detector, which however, the cover is missing now, which I took the cover off one day and it broke, so I threw it away. So we're going to start on Simplex horn stroke fire alarm. So, let's get our 9-volt battery. Blast this thing off, so here we go. Put the camera down, get this thing going. Hang on a second. I know you can do this. Oh, come on! Having a hard time here, guys. Oh, I know. What the hell? Is this thing broke? There we go. Come on. Hang on. God damn it. Oh, this is a fail, guys. This ain't gonna work. Oh boy. God damn it. Fuck. God damn it! Oh, shit! Oh, this wire's screwed up. There we go, finally, guys. Finally. For all that trying. God. Excuse my language too, but that was hard. My battery's dying too, so you can hear it outside. Let's go back in and get the other 2 alarms tested. That's done. Okay, let's get the kiddie smoke detector tested here. That was hard. I don't wish we had trouble doing that, but today I did. See the batteries. I'm going over 4 minutes too. I better. Ready? That's done. Let's get this one tested and that'll be it. I'm not in trouble with this one now. Oh, shoot. This one's hard. There we go. Ready? This one seems louder than the other one. And take the battery out. That's it, guys. Bye-bye.